Nintendo Switch Sports is here, and it picks up where Wii Sports left off, but this time with a different selection of sports, games and modes to choose from. You can play by yourself, with family and friends, or online, and create your own avatar, otherwise known as a sportsmate. It lets you customize everything from your face to your freckles and even your body. But if you're stuck in the past, you can also upload your Mii character. Set in Spocco Square, there are 6 sports to choose from: volleyball, badminton, bowling, football, chambara and tennis. Some of them are a little harder than others to learn. Volleyball, football and chambara are the most challenging, with lots of different gestures to remember. Others, like bowling and tennis, felt like a major throwback to the Wii, even if there are some small differences. When you play online, you'll be able to grow through the rankings to achieve coveted pro status and win more customization for your sportsmate character. Like most games made for Nintendo's popular console, the graphics look vibrant with plenty of fun packed in. It takes things a step further than the Wii ever did when it comes to detail, especially in the background, which is full of liveliness and excitement. Switch Sports is a sociable game with something for everyone, and it certainly looks set to be one of the most popular Switch games of the year.
3 on.